Dapper cracker back at you. Hey man, we just got the EVO 3K in. Got a killer ass unboxing going on here. We're gonna check it out. Let's throw some lights on the subject here. There she is in all her glory. The new EVO 3K. I got another one, so we're gonna clamp them. So we're gonna strap or clamp two 3,000 watts together. Now I know for a fact it is not a 3,000 watt amp. It's probably about 2,228 on a term lab. So we're going to see what we can come up with. We'll get that video out to you here real soon.